Hello everyone, today we are going to learn regarding the city access map, an application developed based on the 15-minute city concept. It is basically regarding the city quality services that is accessible to the public and residents of the society within 15-minute walking distance, or we can say through bike. So we are going to compare different cities of the world that are accessible with respect to this criteria or not. So first of all, we are going to search out the Lahore city. As you search the Lahore, the line chart is going to be appear that shows the accessibility within average to the residents of Lahore with respect to the education facilities, health facilities, your bus stops, any other restaurants available within your premises or not. On the left side of the top of the website, you can also apply the time filter so you can change its properties. Also, you can change its weightage. For the if you want to access likewise parks, restaurants, educational facilities, you can apply the filter and download its data as well in the form of Excel. Now we are going to open up the Excel file. There is a gradient legend over the bottom of the website that shows how the facilities are accessible to the residents of Lahore. As the data has been downloaded in the Excel form, you can utilize it for another purposes. Likewise, you can utilize for GIS analysis, network analysis. Furthermore, you can see that there is a lot of data. Big data is available where you can download like health facilities, food choices. These are given in the latitude and longitude form. Furthermore, they have given these choices, these options, or we can say the fields and their attributes are given in the form of distances, and you can utilize it for further purposes by inputting it into the arc map, or we can utilize the QGIS. Now we can search the Dublin city of an island, and we can see that the accessibility level is 96%. As compared to the Lahore, it's only 33% for the Lahore. So you can see that how we can utilize this app for comparison of the different cities in the world. Thanks for watching my videos and hope you are learning something from it.